So ayun na nga mga ka-sports, Gilas Women laban sa Korea. Napakahirap talaga ang match na ito kasi napakabilis, napakalaki at napakapulido ang mga tira ng tres ng Korean team. Pero napaka-close up naman ang laro kasi nilabanan nila De Jesus, nila Jack Animam at iba pang Gilas Women players team. Kung trip mo po ang content na ito, paiwan ng follow at pa-subscribe na din. Tara, tignan natin ang buong highlights ng laro.
With a bucket on her end. The jumper for the Philippines as Nayumi Panganiban. Try with that dish. Ella fires for three. Off the Nazar has it. Goes one-on-one. Being harassed. The cut and the fake. Sumaya Sugapong. Go to Sumaya Sugapong. Points. Twelve seconds shoot. To play, Jack Animam having some difficulty in terms of shooting from the line, and finally, any contact would mean 2 shots or would mean trip to the free throw area para sa Pilipinas. Something that they could really maximize here in the third quarter. Baka pwede. Helping out South Korea. Goitinko, corner 3. Oh, clean! Ella Fajardo has it. Showing us some handles. Trading for some space. Long 2. Slowly took control of the ball game. No conversion yet here for Team Philippines. Right on cue. Much needed by a minute and 49 seconds remaining. A minute and 40.
Kung nagustuhan mo po ang match-up na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-iwan ng like, subscribe at pakipindot din na notification bell para updated po kayo mga idolo sa ating uploads. So paano? Abangan natin ang next match-up. Ingat po kayo.